Hey guys, Igor here to record our first class on our Tech Trend Zone. And the first class will be about website flipping, the basic concept of website flipping. So, what is website flipping? Website flipping comprises purchasing an income generating website, making change, and then selling to a new buyer, flipping. You know how to make a website grow. That's why you're going to buy an existent website with some SEO and that it has some profits involved. And because you know how to make it grow, you're going to buy it for less. You will make it grow. It will so generate more income and you're going to sell them, flipping. And then you're going to do it again. You're going to buy the website, make it grow and sell it. It's online marketer skill per excellence. How you will make the website be profitable? Your weapon is the SEO. Make the website grow, driving visits to the website. It will grow, it will have more visits. And then you will generate income displaying ads, doing affiliate marketing, so spreading links on the website, selling digital product, for instance, course, etc. You will, as a marketer, make the website generate more income. And then you're going to sell it and you're going to start it again. This is website flipping. Is flipping lucrative? Yes, of course, but there is a lot of work involved. You will sell usually a website for 3 to 4 times its annual profit. So you will multiply for 3 to 4 the annual profit of that website. So of course, it's profitable. If you buy a website and make it grow a lot, you're going to sell it 5 times more, not related to the price you bought, the price you are selling right now. For instance, at the time you bought the website for 10K because it generated per year. And then you make the website generate 10K per year. You're going to sell it for much more than 10K. So, of course, it's lucrative. But it's not a passive income. Remember, you need to do SEO. You need to create blog posts. You need to drive visits. You need to do partnerships, you need to create interesting content. Of course, you can hire people to manage those websites that they will be expensive as well because it's a skilled work, but it's not a passive income. A website is like a baby that you need to take care daily to make it grow or it will die. So the whole meaning of the website flipping is buy, grow, and sell. Buy, grow, and sell. Make it several times and you will be rich. That's our first class about website flipping. See you soon. Bye bye.